Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Like in last session, I explained you this chapter, I Love My School. So today we will be doing back exercises. So in your Pearl Semester 1, page 186, you will be writing date here. That is 15 July 7 and then 20. Just below it you will be writing Wednesday. W should be capital of Wednesday. And then on right hand side you will be writing classwork. Okay, C and W should be capital. First one is circle the correct words. First is a school has many teachers or sailors. Does your school has many sailors? No, your school has many teachers. So you will circle teachers. Second is we should make noise or be quiet in the library. We should be quiet in the library. So you will circle be quiet. Third is we learn to play musical instruments in the music or computer room. What do you do in the computer room? You do calculations on computer, then you play games, you type, you learn to draw and paint on computer, right? And what do you do in music room? You learn to play music instruments. So you will circle music here. We learn to play music instruments in the music room. Let's move to B part. Fill in the blanks and choose words from the blackboard. Can you see this mini blackboard here? So 3 words are given to you: sick room, playground and assembly hall. So you have to choose the correct word according to the statements given to you. Like first one is school functions are held in the, is it sick room? No. Playground? No. Yes, it is assembly hall. So you will write assembly hall here. Second is we go to the dash when we feel unwell. Where do we go? We go to sick room. So you will write sick room here. We play in the, where do you go to play? Do you go to sick room to play? No. Assembly hall? No. We play in the playground. So you will write playground here. Now in C part, we have to rearrange the capital letters to make words. All these words are jumbled. Okay, so basically you have to unjumble them and then you have to write them on the blank given. We learn good dash in the school. Just unjumble it and try to find out what will come here. Manners. We learn good manners in school. So you will write manners here, everything in block. Then we can take books from the dash. Unjumble them. From where can we get books from? We can take books from library. So you will write library here. Then there is a dash room in Sumi school. Which room? Just try to find out what will come. It's given TAR. There is a dash room in the Sumi's room. Yes, children, you are correct. There is an art room in Sumi school. So you will write art here. Then these question answers we will be doing in notebook. Now let's move to E part. Where in school would you go to listen to your principal giving a speech on Independence Day? Where does your principal give speech on Independence Day? During your assembly, right? And in which hall? Assembly hall. So you will write assembly hall here. Now children, on next page, we will be doing this activity now. So write these words in the correct boxes. Some words are given here. You have to write it in the correct boxes. So 4 categories are given: assembly hall, library, playground and computer room. So you have to see which word will fall under which category. So books will come under library. Computers will come under which category? Computer room. So you will write computers here. Stage, assembly hall where we do prayer or different functions are held. Then librarian we find in library. So you will write librarian here. Then swings, very easy. We do not find swings in assembly hall, library and computer room. So swings will come under the category of playground. So you will write swings here. Next is mic. Mic we find in assembly hall. So you will write mic here. Printers we find in computer room. So you will write printer here. And slides, very easy. Slides will come under playground category. Okay, so children, you will be doing back exercises till here. Then in next session we'll start with notebook work. So just revise it one more time once you are done with it. Till then, bye bye, take care.